Welcome to your DM van heater tutorial. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about operating and maintaining your Webasto Evo 40 gasoline heater. The Webasto runs on 12 volts and draws gasoline directly from your van's fuel tank. To keep it running smoothly, always make sure your gas tank is at least 1/4 full. If the level drops below that, air can enter the line and cause an airlock. The heater connects via Bluetooth to the SmartTemp 3.0 app. From here, you can turn the system on or off, set your preferred temperature, and even clear error codes. On the controller itself, press the Webasto button to power on or off, the SmartTemp button to confirm selections, and use the outer dial ring to adjust temperature. If the screen dims, simply tap or turn the ring to wake it up. The small metal pipe under your van is the exhaust outlet. After driving through snow or mud, give it a quick check. A light tap clears any blockage. The Webasto is self-cleaning, but it also needs an occasional maintenance burn. Run the heater at about 95 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 60 minutes once per trip to burn off carbon buildup. For best results, avoid short run times, don't shut it off before reaching full temp, and replace the inline fuel filter yearly. That's it. Your Webasto Evo 40 will keep your van warm and efficient for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance runs and keeping enough fuel are key.